Hello friends. Today we are reviewing Ashram movie. If we have been aware of what's happening around us, we must be knowing about the age-old Ashram scam. This has been a regular topic in news here and there. Ashram movie is all about the life of one such saint, Baba Nirala. This character in this film is depicted by Bobby Deol. He's my favorite. Movie starts with Pammi escaping from what seems to be a safe place for the girls from the ashram. Aditi Pohankar has played this role. Then the whole story goes into the flashback of what drove her to take this decision. We learn that Pammi is a lower caste wrestler and has been a victim of constant casteism. Baba Nirala helps her for his own good, becoming a Masiha just like he is to his lakhs of other devotees. Amid the whole of brainwashing, we see how the life of Pammi and people around her changes with the entry of Baba Nirala. Now coming to the overall picture. The show has not many big things going in its favor apart from few decent performances. The moment you hope it gets better, it starts sloping downward. The inside world of ashram manages to fascinate you for some time, but then it's just the same repeated story. There are many lousy twists and turns which you can see coming in a mile away. One of the primary reasons why the show come across as a caricature is also because of the potential it had. In the recent flood of OTT shows, many of them failed because they promised too much with the premise of delivering nothing but mediocrity wrapped in the shining paper. Coming to the dialogues. A foreigner in the movie claims to know a bit of Hindi, but then in her next dialogue she says, "मैं तुमसे बहुत प्रभावित हुई हूँ." Why such lazy dialogues? The impossible is I am possible dialogue was used in 2007 by Imran Hashmi in Good Boy, Bad Boy, and we all have got it from our uncles on WhatsApp. Yana, boring. Here also similar thing. The worst part is that they don't even end the show on high note and instead show the trailer of upcoming season. I appreciate the guts, but if they think I will watch the second season after this, they are probably right because I still want to complete the series. Now let's coming to star performances. Bobby Deol sleepwalks. Apart from some genuine efforts invested in getting his look right, he still acts like he was walking in a straight from class of 83 movie with the additional beard. The show gets good support from its supporting cast, including very good performances by Darshan Kumar, Vikram Kochhar, and Chandan Roy Sanyal. All three of them control their characters very well. Aditi Pohankar is a victim of poor character writing. Makers just could not get the most out of her talent. Rest of the two significant ladies, Tridha Chaudhary and Anupriya Goenka, are just about okay. Also because of not getting much to do. Tushar Pandey is remarkable and his character is the only one which gets a proper arc by the end. Adyan Suman is rightly named after a famous singer as Tinka Singh, as his acting style is actually Tinka. Now last words. All said and done, don't spend much of time in this ashram, not because it's awful, but because we have almost seen and know everything about Godman disguising as Godman. This could have been so much better, but ultimately remains an underwhelming attempt at depicting the brutal reality. Stay tuned. Bye bye. Take care.